Hello, my superstars! Today, we're going to draw something super cool and super stylish. Are you ready to become a stylish artist with me? But first, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss our fun drawing adventures. Alright, let's get started. We're drawing our stylish superhero, Miles Morales. First, let's draw his face. Make a big V shape. Now, leave a little space on each side of the face, and draw two lines going up above the V. Time to give him his hoodie, because Miles is always stylish. Now, let's draw his SpiderMan eyes. So cool, right? Let's add his neck with two curved lines. Now for the hands. Did you know Miles Morales has special powers that even Peter Parker doesn't? He can turn invisible and even has an electric shock called a Venom Strike. Miles loves wearing a hoodie and sneakers with his Spider-Man suit. That's why he looks extra stylish compared to other superheroes. He looks like he's pulling on his hoodie, or maybe just showing off his style. Even though we'll paint his face black later and the web lines won't show, let's draw them just for fun. The web starts right in the center of his face between his eyes. Don't forget to add some web lines on his neck and hands too. Time to bring Miles Morales to life with colors. Take your black color for his face, neck, and the lower half of his hands. Did you know SpiderMan is one of the most popular superheroes in the world? Millions of kids everywhere love drawing and watching him, just like you're doing right now. Now grab red for his hoodie and the upper half of his hands. Make the hoodie a little darker inside. Now, let's make his rest of the hoodie blue. Outline his eyes with red. Wow, they look amazing now. Use white to draw the web lines on his face, neck, and hands. For the red parts of his hands, make the web lines brown. And finally, let's add some blue lines on his hoodie to make him extra stylish. And there you go, our amazing, stylish Miles Morales is complete. Doesn't he look awesome? Wow, I'm so proud of you. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. I'll see you in our next fun drawing adventure. Till then, bye-bye superstars.